Good day, ma'am and sir. My name is Wendy Certeza Vergara. I am 43 years old. I live in San Valentin Court, Pantoc, Binangonan, Rizal. I am a high school graduate. I, I'm not married, but I have a live-in partner. I have two sons, ages 5 years old and 23 years old. My work experience abroad is Lebanon. 2003 until 2010, I worked in Lebanon as a domestic helper in one couple. They have two kids, ages 7 years old and 5 years old. My responsibility is to taking care of the children, feeding, playing with them, and take a bath. I do household chores like cleaning, wash the dishes, cooking meal, doing laundry and ironing, and taking care of pets too. When I end my contract in Lebanon, 2010 until 2019, I worked in Dubai as a sales associate in a cosmetic company. I end my contract, I came back here in the Philippines, and I work from 2 years from now as a helper in my local family. I work in the house, cleaning, cooking, wash the dishes, doing laundry, ironing, taking care of pets, taking care of the children, feeding, playing, and taking a bath. I do also car wash and doing also the gardening. I want to come back abroad because I want to support my family, especially the financial needs of my children. I want to give them the best future, especially for the schooling needs. To my employer, if you choose me, I will do all my best to support you, to take care of all of you and your kids. I will love them the same I love my family, and I will always follow you what's the instruction. I am flexible and hardworking and doing all the responsibility that you tell me. I will never let you down and I fulfill all my dreams come true. Thank you.